What's that? What is that? What is that? Look, it's got a little light. Oh. Look, can you open the refrigerator? Oh. Let's see. If I get a cup out, can you pour me some water? Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Say cup.
Very nice.
You like your new kitchen?
Do you want to pour some for Emma too? Let's see, pour some, and then we'll do cheers. You want to do cheers? Oh, no, do cheers with this one. Here, ready? Pour some in here. No, you do it. Okay? And then we...
You gotta drink out of the cup.
Here, no, we cheers this one. Cheers! Oh. Okay, cheers.
Okay.
Let's see. Put some here. Refrigerator. Look it. Oh, we could make a hamburger. Should we put it on a plate? It's a little slippery. Want some corn on the cob?